लाइमलाइट का एक्सक्लूसिव सॉलिटेयर ज्वेलरी कलेक्शन न सिर्फ इको फ्रेंडली है पर अफोर्डेबल भी। ये CVD डायमंड है, वर्ल्ड्स प्योरेस्ट डायमंड, मेड इन इंडिया। देखने जरूर आइए।
For me personally, the worst pickup lines are when someone says something and then they say, I'm joking, because it has something to do with my dad. And I'm just like, oh, this is so annoying. I say, I'm not joking, bye. That's how I react to that. You know, when I was growing up, I was like, मुझे बहुत बड़ी शादी करनी है, 7 function करने हैं, but now I'm like, no. My dreamy Bollywood wedding. I love Alia and Ranbir's because they got married at home, and I feel like sometimes people focus on like ye location, wo location, but they actually chose like the most special location to them. At my wedding also, I want to dance the most and I want to be having the most fun. That's for sure.
That you would anyway.
Yeah.
Don't you dance at everybody's wedding the most?
So now
as well?
I imagine how much I'll dance at my own wedding. Virat and Anushka's, because it was like, it looked really fun. Like, you know, like they were having a lot of fun with each other, and it was in Italy, which wouldn't hurt going to Italy. So yeah.
Your favorite couple?
Ever?
Apart from your mom and dad.
Shah Rukh Khan and Gauri Khan.
Why?
Because they are just best friends before anything else.
You have to rate them and their fashion. Karthik.
Varun is always in his ganji and track pants going to the gym, so I'm giving him a 5.
You guys call each other by some other nickname? You and Ranveer?
No, he just calls me Nannan and I call him Ran Ran. Sohana's favorite cheat meal is a vada pav, so we've had a vada pav recently at some point. I love vada pav.
Thank you for joining us today on Limelight Diamonds Presents Galata India Fans Festival with you. I've been planning to do this for the longest time with you, and thank you that you're doing it. Before we begin, let me just thank my partner, because Limelight Diamonds is India's largest lab-grown diamond jewelry brand. Lab-grown diamonds are actually 100% real diamonds, only they have a different source. They save a lot of your money, manpower as well, and of course the environment. So if you like it, we have a lot of things especially in store for all the fans here. So if you like it, please go and visit them across the 20 stores that they have across India, or just log on to www.limelightdiamonds.com. Thank you so much. We are going to call her Bay. So it's called the Bay Rapid Fire.
So I'm answering as Bay or as Ananya?
No, you are answering.
So then Ananya can't get into trouble.
Yeah, that's why. Na?
Okay.
See, I'm putting a safety mark for you. You have to give the answers which Ananya thinks, but you have to give it as Bay, in Bay's style.
But how?
Or okay, you can just do it as Bay. You can do it as Bay.
Let's see the questions, then I'll decide who's going to answer, Ananya or Bay.
So, the Bay Rapid Fire. The worst pickup line that has been used on you.
For me personally, the worst pickup lines are when someone says something and then they say, I'm joking, because it has something to do with my dad. And I'm just like, oh, this is so annoying. A lot of people do that actually.
How do you react to that?
I say, I'm not joking, bye. That's how I react to that.
The worst pickup line that you have ever used, or the most embarrassing one?
I don't use pickup lines. I think I do fine without it.
But the most embarrassing thing you would have possibly done in front of somebody who you are with or you're dating?
So many, I can't think of one. I don't know, I can't think of one right now.
Your dreamy Bollywood wedding would be?
My dreamy Bollywood wedding. Oh my god. I love Alia and Ranbir's because they got married at home, and I feel like sometimes people focus on like ye location, wo location, but they actually chose like the most special location to them, which is Alia wrote that in her, her caption, that it was our balcony where we spent so much time together, and I really like that it was something that meant so much to both of them. Yeah.
But what would be your dreamy Bollywood wedding?
I thought
line?
you asked me what my favorite.
No, that also. That was the next question, so that's fine.
Similar. Something that means very small. You know, when I was growing up, I was like, मुझे बहुत बड़ी शादी करनी है, 7 function करने हैं, but now I'm like, no. I just want my close people around me and doing something that means something to me and my partner.
By the way, guys, in the first episode, I have been told by Thoda Rashida Harjao, correct me till what point I can say this, but my most favorite scene has to be the
wedding scene.
Wedding scene.
Then you all guess whose wedding we are kind of giving
No,
ode to.
yeah.
Okay.
You just have to see the wedding scene and send me your reactions. We are all gonna share it. I genuinely want to see reactions.
But at my wedding also, I want to dance the most and I want to be having the most fun. That's for sure.
That you would anyway.
Yeah.
Don't you dance at everybody's wedding the most?
So now
as well?
I imagine how much I'll dance at my own wedding if I'm dancing at others' weddings.
I have seen you go like ballistic, and I'm like, we were all covering, and we were like, this is me. at
Okay.
everyone's wedding?
Well, it was me and I was behaving crazy, but it's fine.
No, it's nice. It's fun to be crazy.
Yeah, I mean, I love celebrating love and they're my friends, so obviously I'm gonna go mad.
One Bollywood wedding you wish you had been invited to, like the wedding, not the reception. Huh?
Oh. Wedding, now I'm trying to think. I've not really been invited to any, so maybe I'm gonna say all.
Because they've all got.
They've all had very like quiet weddings. Maybe Virat and Anushka's because it was like it looked really fun. Like like they were having a lot of fun with each other, and it was in Italy, which wouldn't hurt going to Italy. So yeah.
Your favorite couple,
Ever?
apart from your mom and dad.
Shah Rukh Khan and Gauri Khan.
Why?
Because they are just best friends before anything else, and it's been a long and lovely and real love story.
Okay. Have you ever then, okay, as Ananya, made out in a public place,
No,
being caught?
but I didn't. So how?
matlab-
Been caught doing what?
Could be at home also.
No.
Been mansplained on a set.
I'm the kind of person who wouldn't allow it, even if it was happening. So I don't think these things happen with me. I'm always like, huh? What are you trying to say? I make it really obvious that it's not cool. Yeah.
Felt unheard while working. Like felt like your ideas were not being heard or acknowledged.
I feel like at the start, I also didn't make that much of an effort. When I started, I didn't know that I could bring my own ideas. कि मैं ये भी कर सकती हूँ, वो भी कर सकती हूँ. So I also kind of went with it. But now I think I found my voice a little bit.
Now you have to put on your Bay meter and rate people according to their fashion.
Oh.
Because Bay, oh my God, have you seen the clothes that she's wearing? Listen, this is an ode. I know it's nothing like
No,
Bay,
this
but
would be something Bay would wear for sure.
huh?
Yeah. As like a night suit maybe, but still, it's fine. I'm joking. I'm joking.
This is a promo shot. That's why my team is laughing. Okay, Bay meter. You have to rate them and their fashion. Karthik.
I would say like a 7 or a 6.
Shah Rukh
7.
Khan.
10, 11, 12. Yeah.
Hrithik Roshan.
He's again like 10, 9. I'm very going to give everyone 10.
No.
Okay, fine.
Varun.
Varun is always in his ganji and track pants going to the gym, so I'm giving him a 5.
Ranbir.
Ranbir, very cool. I would say like 9, 8.5, 9.
Ranveer.
I think Ranveer and Bay would really, fight it. Because actually, some of Ranveer's, what he wore, Rocky Rani, Veer Das is actually wearing them. There's this Versace bathrobe. So they both, I think, like Veer's character and Rocky Randhawa have that in common. Ranveer is for me like 100. I just love it.
What if Bay met Rocky Randhawa? What would the conversation be like?
I don't think Bay would like fully understand what he's saying, so she would be like, huh? Okay, but I like what you're doing. But I think she'd get competitive with like the main character energy. I think they would have a dance-off, maybe. I don't know.
And who would win?
Rocky.
Okay, but you have to tell me, is it true that you guys call each other by some other nickname? You and Ranveer?
No, he just calls me Nannan and I call him Run Run. It's not really a nickname.
No, it's cute.
Yeah.
Nannan.
Yeah, like Ananya, Nannan, and Run Run.
Nannan.
Yeah.
Oh, sweet.
Very simple.
Bay meter then.
We're still
Veer Das.
playing this game.
Yeah.
Veer Das in life or
Yeah.
in the show?
In life.
I like him. I like his beanies and his looks. I would say like an 8.
Okay. Now, as Bay, you have to answer. Like, answers will be Ananya, but the style has to be
This
Bay.
is a trick that you're
No,
doing.
This is, you will
Okay.
get to know why. When was the last time Ananya rode an auto?
Last month, yeah, my dad took my car, so I had to come from somewhere to my house.
Okay. Had a fight.
Had a fight like 2 nights ago, but I can't tell you why.
With who?
Can't tell you that.
Has that fight resolved?
It's
or?
resolved. It's done. I won the fight.
You won?
Yeah.
Cried out, but hid your tears.
You know what the thing with me is? I can't hide my tears. So if anyone knows that I'm crying, it's really on my face. So I don't hide.
Ate vada pav.
Eat vada pav. I recently had vada pav. Sohana's favorite cheat meal is a vada pav. So we've had a vada pav recently at some point. I love vada pav.
Didn't carry cash or didn't have money in the wallet.
That way I'm a little chindi, so I sometimes don't carry it purposely. And I say, your treat and all to my friends. So I'm chindi like that.
Stood up against a rude man.
I do that all the time. I'm always standing up for other people, not just...
Yeah, last time.
I can't think of one, but I do that quite often. Like, I don't let people, like that night only we had gone somewhere with my friend Anchal and Stacey, and some man was laughing in the lift. He could have possibly been laughing on his own for his own reason, but I was like, why are you laughing? And also I think that was the
You're a friend's friend.
I'm a friend's friend.
Got tricked into something you didn't want to.
You know, it's not that easy to trick me, contrary to what people believe. So I really don't do things that I would not want to.
And lastly, ended a friendship. Ended a friendship, relationship. Friendship.
Friendship. I haven't touchwood been very lucky with all my friends. I've never, ended a friendship in that way. All my friends that are my friends have been my friends since we were born.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The basis of any friendship or relationship is actually respect, right? And there's a part of it which plays again in your character is the lack of respect. What would be your deal breaker as Ananya that you would not tolerate? 3 things that you would never tolerate.
I think disloyalty. If my friend is friends with someone who doesn't speak highly of me, or if they don't defend me in a room that I'm not in, I think that's not a good sign. Lying. I don't like people who lie because I'm very honest. As you said, disrespect in every way. Yeah. And I think effort is very important to me because we all are busy, but you can always make time for people that you love, and you should always make time for people that you love.
You know, Ananya, I haven't said this quite often. Of course, you know, but I've not said it in public. But you've been one of those people who has always respected everyone around. And I've seen that. Like, from the first, I think my first conversation with you was when you went for the ball. And that was in DNA days, yeah. And after that, because I've stayed in touch with your mother, that's one thing about Ananya Pandey, guys, that genuinely, she will stand up for all her friends. And I know that somewhere down the line, if anybody tries to say something rude about anybody she really likes and she really considers her own, she will genuinely fight a war against that person. And can we have a round of applause for that?
It's too much praise. I'm feeling shy.
But you deserve it.
लाइमलाइट का एक्सक्लूसिव सॉलिटेयर ज्वेलरी कलेक्शन ना सिर्फ इको फ्रेंडली है पर अफोर्डेबल भी। ये CVD डायमंड है वर्ल्ड्स प्योरेस्ट डायमंड, मेड इन इंडिया। देखने जरूर आइए।